Over 50 young innovators, creators, and entrepreneurs from across Africa, aged between 18 and 35, attended on November 2nd a workshop on intellectual property organized by WIPO and Japan's Patent Office in cooperation with the Senegalese government and the African Union. The workshop was held on the eve of a ministerial conference on intellectual property for an emerging Africa in Dakar.
La disponibilité du savoir à elle seule ne suffit pas pour tirer profit de son exploitation. Il faut également être en mesure de l'organiser, de le protéger et de le valoriser de manière optimale.
Intellectual property, or IP, can play an important component as an enabler to drive the process through innovation and creativity in the knowledge-based economy of nowadays.
So many of the young people, especially the kind of people who are brought here today by WIPO, creators, inventors, innovators, rarely have a platform where they can actually exchange ideas not only with resource persons, but even with themselves. A message that they can then pass on to those who are making policy to understand the importance of doing this in their own countries. Why can't we create more awareness on IP in our African countries, whether it's within the education system or through other channels?
L'avenir de l'Afrique, leur avenir, ce sera ce que nous en ferons. Il nous faut comprendre les mécanismes, la nouvelle économie, comprendre les outils, comprendre les droits, et s'organiser.
Basically, I'm here for this conference because I wanted to learn more about intellectual property so that I can build my brand and take it beyond the borders of Zambia. Because we believe that there's so much talent in our country, and with the right information and the right connections, we could take it out to the world.
As creators, there's a lot of things we have to learn about it because we don't really think about copyrights when we're creating, and then it's not good for us. So I hope I'll learn a lot of things about copyright to protect my artwork and develop it.
I want to understand how I can protect my works, my creations, so that God should be my God, because it's for me. I'm working for it and I love it so much. So I really want to understand these things better and protect my works.
Build apps, a bunch of them, made a lot of money, then realized I didn't protect any of them. Got screwed, learned my lesson. Now I know the importance of IP. From my experience, you need to protect everything you're doing, regardless how small it might seem to you. It might not seem like a big idea, but to someone out there, it makes a whole big difference.
Being the youngest innovator among all the people that was present in this workshop, I think it's an honor and I feel good about this opportunity, and I think it's a way of enable me to do more and learn more skills for myself.
After this meeting, I'm so confident that many of these youth feel energized, even with the idea of mentorship from some of the resource people, and the fact that they know where they can get the resources to be able to understand IP.
Merci.